G'day, I'm Chad from the Beekeeper's Daughters, Bees for our Next Generation. It's a beautiful, warm, midwinter's day today, so what better time to safely open the hive and have a wee sneak peek and see what the bees are doing during winter, what kind of things they get up to. So let's crack open this hive and have a wee look. We've smoked the entrance of the hive. Lift off the lid. Give them a wee smoke. Now what we're looking at here in this box are the honey stores. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frames with honey for the bees to eat over winter. If I pull out a frame, you'll see that this is a drawn out frame of wax, and maybe just under half of these cells, wax cells, have nectar stored in them, and the rest have capped honey. And we'll talk about capped honey another time, but this is basically their winter food. So we've taken off the honey super, and what we're looking at now is the brood box. So this is where the queen is living at the moment. She's still laying eggs, and the nursing bees are still looking after the young bees. So what's happening in the hive? The bees are still going about doing their daily activity of looking after eggs, looking after young brood, but everything's compact and reduced right down to be a much smaller scale version of what they'd be doing in spring, because they basically don't have the food source to grow their hive rapidly, so they're in survival mode, keeping each other going, and in really cold winter days and nights, keeping each other warm. See if you can spot the queen. She's hiding. There she is, running off. Beautiful. And if the weather's warm enough, they're still leaving the hive in winter, collecting water, maybe pollen from flowers that could still be in bloom, even the occasional nectar source. Alright girls, make sure you're in before it gets too cold.